Now here's an example. I fly a lot. How many of you have a black roller bag? Couple, okay? I have a black roller bag. Mine is the only one that has orange chicken feet sticking out of it. When it's in the overhead, nobody messes with my bag. Nobody says, can I move? Oh, never mind. And when they lose my bag, which happened not long ago, I go into this big room about this size, full of thousands of bags, and they throw this little template down. And they said, sir, what does your bag look like? And I said, I don't need that. I said, it's a black roller bag. And he rolls his eyes and cops an attitude with me. And I said, it has orange chicken feet sticking out of it. And he goes, it's right here. And then he calls everybody, hey, the chicken feet guy is here! Now, there are some times when your insulation kind of goes against you. I do get selected for secondary screening occasionally. Going through the airport a couple months ago, they stopped, they opened up my bag. One of the Gard employees took out my rubber chicken, and he patted it down. And then he looked at me and he said, it's clear. I don't even know what the right response is. Thank you. I mean, I don't know it. But I've even had people take my bag off the carousel thinking it's their bag. How many of you had that happen? And I had to stand there for 2 hours till they returned my suitcase. And I thought, I don't want that to happen again.